My name is Snehal Fuljale. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Cloud Lending. We are a technology platform for financial institutions. Today, I'm going to be demonstrating our newest idea called Cloud Lending Exchange. Very recently, I was speaking with a good friend of mine, Ron Suber, who shared an interesting problem that Prosper was having. They fund only about 10% of the application that they receive on their platform. Now, it turns out it's not only Prosper, but other online lenders, as well as more traditional lenders such as banks, have the same problem. So you see, it's an industry-wide problem. So what happens to the rest 90% of the applications? Is it fair to say that they are not creditworthy? Well, I doubt it. To us, the problem is simple. There is a mismatch between the borrower needs and the lending criteria or the underwriting criteria of the lenders whom they're applying to. Cloud Lending Exchange intends to solve this problem. Simply put, it's an online platform that allows participating financial institutions to share and exchange loan applications that match their lending criteria. Let's check it out. Every time a lender wants to participate in the exchange, the first thing that they will do, well, I logged in as a participant, the first thing that they will do is set up the lending criteria so that the exchange knows the kind of applications that are most relevant to that lender. We call it setting up the credit box. In the credit box, you set up things such as the FICO range and the interest rate range that you typically offer on your loans via your direct lending program. Set up asset type. You set up the states where you are licensed to lend. You set up other parameters such as loan amount and loan term. Now, I have set up few lenders as participants on the exchange. Let's see how it works in action. What you're seeing on the screen is a lender A who is also a participant in the exchange, in the Cloud Lending Exchange. And what you're seeing is a loan origination system of lender A. And lender A received an application, and the requested loan amount is $10,000. But lender A's underwriting policy says that they do not wish to extend loans beyond $5,000. So although a perfectly good application is not matching their lending criteria, and lender A will not be funding this loan. Instead, what lender A decides as a participant in the exchange to flip this loan into the exchange so that someone else can fund the loan with a click of a button. And you're right, this action can be automated. Let me now switch back to the exchange. And in the exchange, what you see is as soon as lender A sends the application, it shows up in the recently added loan application. And this view shows the application that matched the lending criteria for this lender. Now, please note that this is not merely a lead generation portal. These are complete loan applications ready to be underwritten. That is some of the information the loan application that came through has. It has information such as loan terms, borrower demographics, and credit information of the borrower, including collections, number of inquiries, and such. Now the next logical question really is, what happens when an application that exchange receives and it matches more than one credit boxes of multiple lenders? So Cloud Lending Exchange solves this problem by providing an auction engine that allows participating lenders to bid on loan application that they're really interested in. The application that lender A just sent in, which is the application number 28, seems like it matched the credit or the underwriting criteria of multiple lenders. Please note that the bidding currency is the interest rate. So here, there are three lenders who have expressed interest by bidding. And what that has done is it has reduced the interest rate for the borrower from 11.6 to 11.2. That's how borrower benefits. And as a participant in the exchange, now I have an opportunity because the auction window is open, as you see here, that the timer is counting down. I could outbid this, the latest interest rate by just providing a better interest rate and win this borrower's business. And this process can also be automated through our auto bid feature, and it helps achieve scale for the participants. They just sit back, relax, and start receiving applications automatically. So, so that's so there it is, the cloud lending exchange, first of its kind exchange for loan application. It reduces friction for lenders and it eases out pain in the loan buying experience for borrowers. Now, fast forward, I mean, imagine that's what this could mean. This technology can enable commerce platforms to lend. It can also enable retailers to lend at point of sale. If you're interested in participating in the exchange in our private beta, which is to be run for the next 3 months, please come see me at Cloud Lending Solutions booth in the booth area. Thank you very much.